Taking a look at the metals markets today, I want to focus on silver. We did see a divergence here today between silver and gold, where we saw silver lower by about 50 basis points, and we saw gold actually slightly higher on the day. So a little bit of a non-correlation day for the metals markets, but nothing too pronounced, as we saw some downward pressure on silver today. And I think when you look at some of the driving factors here, the market is definitely looking at the interest rate environment and trying to sort out the risk in the market, the trends within the interest rate environment, and that's, I think, impacting the metals markets. When you look at the pricing of silver right now, I think that's another impetus here why we're seeing silver and gold really kind of find a range here for the last several weeks and trade within a range. And again, the interest rate environment continues to unfold. We saw rates actually trend lower this afternoon. We did not see too much of a reaction in the silver market. That's when we did see the gold market actually go positive on the day. So again, just a lot of churning right now as the market's kind of dissecting the different narratives within the market. We had a Brexit vote this afternoon that went, I guess, a little bit more negatively than what the market had anticipated. At least Boris Johnson did not get what he wanted, and it does appear now it's a very high probability that the UK is going to have to ask for extension to the Brexit situation. We saw the equity market selling off on that, and again, we did see gold rally slightly, but silver still stayed down around that 1750 level. And also, let's look at the trend really over the last month. It is pretty interesting to see how, after we saw the big volatility in September and earlier in the summer, we are seeing silver right now finding a very defined range between 17 and 18. We continue to see the markets churning here. We're now trending back down to the lower end of the range. But at the same time, I think, when you look at the markets contending with, we've got earnings coming out this week, but some of the uncertainties within the market have been tempered to some degree, the U.S.-China situation, but I still think the jury's out on where interest rates are going to go after this next Fed meeting. We have seen rates bounce back up to the higher end of the range for the last month, and I think that's the reason why we continue to see silver maintaining this range between 17 and 18.